Life hacks I only learned after 30 years. Watch this and you'll never feel at a loss again. 1. When boiling food, the pot often overflows. Just place 2 chopsticks across the top, and the bubbles will never spill out again. 2. To remove shrimp veins easily, cut off the head, pinch firmly with your thumb and index finger, then pull gently. The vein comes out smoothly. 3. Stick a chopstick into one end of yam before peeling. This way you won't get itchy hands anymore. 4. Pour hot water over fish meat and the skin can be peeled off effortlessly. 5. Never thaw frozen meat directly in water. Try this trick. Add 300 grains of salt, 50 milliliters of vinegar, then soak in warm water for 3 minutes. The thawed meat tastes even fresher than newly bought. 6. Bananas spoil quickly. First wash off the ripening agent with clean water, then dry with a paper towel. Wrap the banana stem with a damp tissue. This slows ripening, keeping them fresh for up to 2 weeks. 7. Potatoes and apples make a perfect pair. The aroma released by apples prevents potatoes from sprouting for a long time. 8. A knot technique my aunt taught me. She calls it a magic knot. It's so simple that you can untie it in just 11 seconds. 9. A restaurant lady taught me this knot for packing soup. Cross and tighten the straps, loop once more, and tie. Even if turned upside down, nothing leaks. 10. To reseal opened snacks or seasonings that easily get damp, fold the edge, heat with a lighter, and seal it tight. 11th. Place a spoon at the spout of a container and it creates a neat pour without spilling. 12. The pull tab on soy sauce or vinegar bottles isn't trash. Flip it upside down and place it inside the bottle mouth. This makes pouring easier and more controlled without splashing everywhere. 13. If 2 bowls get stuck together, rinse them under water for a while, then gently pull apart. They'll separate easily. 14. No boyfriend to open cans for you? Don't worry. Just twist the pull ring halfway before pulling it up and it opens with less effort. 15. Cross 2 clothes hangers when drying clothes. Even in strong wind, they won't blow away. I can't be the last one to know this. No matter how short the rope is, you can still loop it through a keychain. Taking it off is just as simple. 17. Rubber bands that have lost elasticity can be revived. Soak them in hot water for a few minutes and they'll return to normal. 18. Fold a mosquito coil stand in half and clip it onto the side of a metal box. Insert the coil, and you won't need to deal with ash for a whole year. 19. Don't throw away old phone cases. Add 3 rubber bands and you've got a simple soap holder. 20. To thread a needle easily, place a thread on folded paper, cut a diagonal edge and push it through. Even the smallest needle hole works. 21. Wrap long thread around scissors, clamp the short end with the blades, then pull the long thread toward the tip. The thread cuts cleanly into 2 pieces. Like what you saw? Follow for more hacks that actually work.